If you're trying to do an unbrick procedure with the Mimic handlebars or the Mimic unit itself, you need to make sure that you've got this jumper wire plugged into the right port. I think that's what's going on with you not being able to do the unbrick procedure properly. If you've already connected via Bluetooth to the Mimic unit, all you would need to do is power off the unit, make sure you're plugging the jumper into the correct port. Some people are plugging it in to this top transmitter receiver. It needs to go into the GCU, and it specifically needs to go in on the bottom, so you can carefully remove these, and it needs to go right there on that top port. Let me move this out of the way here. It needs to go on this port right here, not the bottom one, but the top one here. So once you've plugged that in, you can see that the jumper is now in that port. When you're connected to the app, when you've opened the app, do not click connect. You would immediately just go to system, update firmware. Oh, I gotta turn the power on here, sorry. So power up the Mimic unit. And once this is powered up, you're not going to see any lights because you've had to unplug that other unit. So just as long as this is feeding power to the GCU, then you just go to System, Update Firmware, and then it'll ask you, do not continue if the device bootstrap jumper is not in place. Do you wish to continue? Say yes. And then you would choose the file. In your case with this, depending on if you've got 1.3 or 1.4 loaded on there, I would load 1.4. Ready to flash. Do you wish to continue? Say yes. And you'll notice up top here, it starts counting the percentage. And once that's complete, then carefully plug everything back in, and you should be able to use your Mimic again.